Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Xander and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my first actual YouTube video and I couldn't think of a better way to start off the channel. Okay, so I bought this cheap dirt bike off Facebook Marketplace. If y'all pay attention to Marketplace or any of my other videos, I know I like to build things out of wood. And that wood four-wheeler went crazy. Everybody loved it. I was like, the only thing crazier than a wood four-wheeler is a wood dirt bike. So here we are. After my extensive research, I decided on the RFZ 125. Everybody enjoyed it. Everybody was loving it, having fun on it. If you're interested on learning how to ride, this is a great bike that doesn't break the budget. That's honestly what I love the most about this bike is it's affordable and it's really fun. Now it's time to start taking stuff apart. Honestly, the biggest issue with a lot of these projects is just not having a lot of space. Doing this with very limited space is just a testament to you can do whatever you want as long as you put your mind to it. Okay, now our back panel's off and this is the front. This is what it is looking like right now. Just the frame, gas tank, motor, suspension obviously, just no plastics. Okay, now that this thing is fully taken apart, the next step is just figuring out how to mount the wood as plastic. So might have to drill a hole, might not. Hopefully we don't have to, but we will see. I'm finna go run to Lowe's, grab some wood, and I will see y'all when I get back. And now I'm measuring from the front to the back of the seat. I think I'm gonna go 25 inches. Okay, so I definitely want it to have as much of a dirt bike shape as possible. I just drew that out and I'm gonna cut it with the jigsaw real fast and see how it looks. So I had some leftover strap clamps and I figured I could mount it to the frame with that, at least in the back, and in the front I could run bolts through where the plastic bolts went. I think that's gonna look sick. Next, I'm gonna cut two 18-inch pieces out of this 2x6. Okay, so I just cut out one side piece just to see what it'll look like, and let me show y'all it on the bike. And I mean, to me, that's good. That's a dirt bike, bro. Okay, so in all honesty, I'm not the best drawer, but I drew this one up. I didn't get any designs or anything, just freehanded it. And so I got this other board. I cut that side off and then flipped this to where I can just try to outline this to the best of my ability. There's some things you can't hide, fenders you can't hide. So I'm going to try to get it as perfect as possible and then sand them both to the same size. I got these fenders done and they honestly look great. They're very similar to each other. So I just got the fenders on there and man, this is looking sick. Let me show y'all real quick. Okay, I'm back, it's day 3, and the next step is just moving on top of this gas tank. I think it's about 9.5 inches, maybe 9. Okay, so I got this board marked out as much as possible with my hand. And now that I got it cut out, it's just time to sand it. Okay, after I cut it out and sanded it, it looks great to me. Honestly, a lot better than I was expecting. So all that's left is to build the sides and build the front end and the whole bike's done. Okay, so I got that torched and put back on there. The next step is cutting out 12-inch boards and trying to cut out something sort of like this. This is about 16 inches, but... This is how the first one looks once it's cut out. Trace it and cut one more and then we should be good to go. All right, now both of these are torched, cut, and sanded, so now it's just time to mount them. Okay, I just got them placed. I would have shown y'all, but it was so hard to get them to screw the way I needed them to screw. But this is how it is looking at the moment. Now, figuring out this front end is honestly gonna be the hardest part because you've got one bolt that kind of holds the front plate in. And so I'm back at Lowe's and I think I'm going to use this birch plywood as that face board. Kind of on a time crunch because it's about to start snowing. And I kind of need to have it where I need to have it tomorrow. Unfortunately for the faceplate, the plywood does not burn the same, so it does stick out like a sore thumb, but it's the only thing I could get to work. So I hate that, but it still doesn't look bad. Let me show y'all it once it's put on. Okay, scratch that. I changed the plywood. I did not like how it looked. I wasted money, but I drilled into a 1x4 and just matched it, and it looks way better. I've got to torch it for sure, but it matches the grain. I just took this thing on the highway. I will show y'all videos of me riding it tomorrow. That was so sketchy. It got up to maybe 40, but you know, it has no lights or nothing, but I will see y'all tomorrow. So I just woke up and I came outside. The snow's kind of melted, but it's gonna snow some more tomorrow. That's how it looks covered in snow. Okay, I keep forgetting to make transition clips, but without further ado, let's get into riding it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what y'all want to see me build next. And until next time, it's Xander, and I'm out.